Dear Altcoin investor, welcome in this channel. Today we're going to talk about Navcoin. In the previous videos I've talked about privacy coins like Deeponion, like Navcoin, like Shield, and now we downloaded the wallet and we would like to install the wallet. In the previous video we said the Navtech technology, it's an option for sending private transaction. Now we can get Nav. Let's get started.
Altcoin Investor 69.
How getting started? We can download your wallet. If you connect yourself with a mobile device, you're gonna go directly in Google Play for Android device or Apple Store for Apple devices like iPhone. Now, if you click download wallet, you can download it with Mac, Linux or Windows. If you click here, it's pretty simple. It's gonna start the download. It's 50 megs. I already did it for you. So I'm going to erase, and if you click next, you're gonna get a wallet like this. You have to be patient, and the entire procedures is going to take you like 30 seconds. So it's pretty simple. Here it is. So like if you see in the website of Navcoin, the guide, the graphical user interface is pretty simple. You can put full screen with a desktop version, or you cannot put full screen. Also the mobile version, who I have inside my mobile phone, it's pretty simple. It's already function. There is the option home. Now our balance is 0 because I just installed it. Here you can monitor your staking. It means all of your coins, your NAV coins who are staking, and from them you get 5%. After 2 or 3 minutes that you open your wallet is starting synchronizing with the network. Now it's back 1 year 37 weeks. You can see it's also working with Deeponion wallet. Can you see? It's also working, so you can use both together. Here you can send your Navcoin, you can pay with a Navcoin address, you can save the address in your address book, you can put the money, how many euros you see is going to translate you the amount of Navcoins directly in euros, US dollars and Bitcoin, okay? And moreover, you can use the private payment, the Navtech, the Nav technology I told you in the previous video, or not. It means that if you press this button, you're gonna use a double blockchain, distinct blockchain, anchor related between them. Meanwhile, in Deeponion, every payment is always private using the Tor network and other protocols. Here, it's an option. You can receive your money and you can monitor your transaction. So it's pretty simple. Leave it synchronized. The only thing you have to do, meanwhile you install your Navcoin, you're gonna see a list of 4 different addresses. Just choose one for synchronize your wallet. That's it. So in the next video, we're gonna see how to withdraw your Navcoins from an exchange who could be like Binance, or could be also, let's see, Bittrex. I bought Navcoins in Bittrex my first time because Binance was closed. I couldn't get in, and then I got inside Binance and I bought also Navcoins in Binance with Ethereum, much better. So if you would like, I'm gonna leave you below this video a referral link for Binance, so you can get something like 50% discounts on your commission. That it's already good, the commissions. But you know, instead of buying like 100 NAV coins, you can buy 103, 105 NAV coins, paying less commission. So it's better than nothing. So use the referral link if you would like. If you like this video, thumbs up, share with your friends, and please leave me a comment and tell me what you think about Navcoin. Is it better Navcoin, Deeponion, or Shield? In the next videos, I'm gonna study a way for making something like Navcoin versus Deeponion and see the differences, the pros and cons of the two coins, and also shields and also other private coins, because you know, one of the top trends for 2018-2019 will be the privacy. And with Navcoin, with this Navtech, maybe you can enable the privacy option. So see you in the next video, and thanks for your time. Bye.
Altcoin Investor 69.